Let us revise fractions first, and then we will see how to add fractions with like denominators. Let's look at some circles that are shaded in order to help with fractions. Let us understand now how can we write a fraction for these circles and the shaded parts. Now here you can see the first one. This is a whole. So for whole, we write it as 1. It could be 1 upon 1 or 1. For this figure, this circle is divided into two equal parts. They are two halves. So each half represents 1 upon 2. Do you remember? If we have two equal parts, we write it in denominator and each part is 1. And if I try to write fraction for the shaded part, so what it will be? It is divided into two equal parts. So I will write 2 in the denominator and only one part is shaded. So 1 upon 2. Okay. Now let's look this one now. Here you can see this circle is divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for each part, the fraction will be, what will be the fraction for each part? There are 5 equal parts, so 5 will be in the denominator, and for one part it is 1 divided by 5, that is 1 upon 5. Now if I want to write a fraction for the shaded part, so what it will be? It will be, there are 5 equal parts, so 5 in the denominator and only one part is shaded, so there will be 1. Now let's see for this one. It has 8 equal parts. So fraction for each part will be, as there are 8 parts, so 8 in the denominator, and for each part it will be 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 8, this one, 1 upon 8, so likewise. Now if I ask what fraction is the shaded part, so how would I write? There are 8 equal parts, so 8 in the denominator and 2 parts are shaded, so 2 in the numerator. Let's look some other examples. So here I'll start with this circle. Now it is easy now for you. So in this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. So what will be the fraction for each part? Each part, it will be, there are 4 equal parts, so 4 in the denominator, and for each part it will be 1 upon 4. But if asked what fraction is for the shaded part, so for the shaded part it has 4 equal parts, so 4 in the denominator and only one part is shaded, so 1 upon 4. Let's have a look for other one now. Now look at this figure. Here you can see this circle is divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And fraction for each part, it has 8 equal parts, so 8 in the denominator, and for each part it is 1 upon 8. So you know by now that 1 upon 8, this is 1 upon 8 likewise. Now if asked what fraction is this shaded part, so how would we write? We know there are 8 equal parts, so 8 in the denominator, and how many shaded parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fraction would be 4 upon 8. Now let's see another figure. This time a square here, and you can see it has been divided into 4 equal parts. So fraction for each part will be 4 equal parts, and for each part that is 1 by 4. And now for the shaded part, what will be the fraction? It will be, there are 4 equal parts, so 4 in the denominator and 1, 2. 2 are shaded. Simple. Last example with the hexagon now. So for each part, what will be the fraction? There are 6 equal parts, and for each fraction it will be 1 by 6. And now what will be the fraction for the shaded part? It will be, we have 6 equal parts, so 6 in the denominator, and 1, 2, 3 shaded parts, so numerator will be 3 by 6, 3 upon 6.